In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact customer service in Uniqlo. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to start a live chat with support. First, open your web browser and head to the Uniqlo website. If you're in the Philippines, the site should load in English with local options. If it doesn't, use the region selector on the site to switch to the Philippines English version so the support links match what you see here. Once you're on the home page, give it a moment to fully load the banners and navigation. You don't need to be signed in for this process, but being logged in can help if you plan to ask about an order. Now look toward the top right corner of the page for the profile or account icon. On mobile, this might appear as a small person icon, or it may be inside the main menu. Click or tap that icon to open the account menu. With the menu open, scroll down toward the bottom of that panel. You're looking for a link labeled Help. If you don't see it in the menu, try scrolling to the very bottom of the web page itself. Many Uniqlo sites place a help link in the footer as well. Click Help to move into the support area. On the Help page, select FAQ. This takes you to Uniqlo's main FAQ portal, where common questions are organized by topic. At the top, you'll usually see a How Can We Help You section with a search bar. For live assistance, scroll past the articles until you reach the contact options. Find the section labeled Contact Uniqlo Philippines. This area lists the official ways to reach their team. Choose Chat Support. When you click it, a chat window or widget should open on the screen. If chat is outside operating hours, you might see a note indicating when agents will be available again. Otherwise, you'll be connected to a virtual assistant first, and then to a human agent if needed. You can now start your chat. For a smooth experience, clearly describe your issue in 1 or 2 sentences, then add details like your order number or the product name if it's relevant. Avoid sharing sensitive information such as full payment details. If you're following up on a delivery, it helps to have your tracking or order reference ready. Keep your messages concise and respond promptly if the agent asks clarifying questions. When your issue is resolved, save the chat transcript if the option is offered, so you have a record of the solution. That's it. Quick, clear, and straight from the Uniqlo site. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your support request.